like it?
Whatever I want.
Or steamed pork asado. We just know, yeah.
I'm so scared to touch myself.
For real, me too. That's what I was feeling. Oh, they have people who actually wash these things sleeping here. Oh, that sounds so cool. Red and white. Oh my gosh. This one, yeah, sure. Like almost like papaya, but not but I'm sure it's February 25th, Sunday, and it's about like 2 p.m. And you know what Sunday means? Sunday around here means that it's meal prep day. Except I don't really meal prep. I do batch cooking instead. I am excited to show you what batch cooking entails in a little bit here. But if you guys are new around here, my name is Mai Neng, and I talk about fitness, health, habits, happiness, life in general, and I'm happy that you guys. It's our fridge right now. It's a lot of mixture of random things here. We try not to keep the fridge too full because sometimes we don't eat all of it fast enough. You can see sourdough bread is for my avocado toast, some leftover salmon, some juice, some kimchi, condensed milk that I was trying to make coffee with, some avocado. So right here I still have a good chunk of rice, a lot of sauce from Sue's Life there, pepper, beef, which is I believe Sue's food, green onions and cilantro, and some chicken from some Trader Joe's. So as you can see here, I do have carbs basically taken care of for myself. Always stay hydrated. I always make sure I drink like 8, 9, 10 of these things. So as you can see, I normally eat rice for lunch and dinner. I love rice and I feel more fulfilled with rice. So I have rice taken care of, and now I just need to figure out lunch and dinner. For lunch, I'm gonna do I really like shrimp, so we're gonna boil some shrimp. Now we are gonna work with dinner. We're gonna do ground beef. I like ground beef for meat for ground beef. Ground beef. Gotta defrost it a little bit here. So what I like to do throughout the week is I like to pack my protein separately, my carbs separately, veggies separately. So throughout the week, I can mix and match a little bit, and then I don't always have to feel like I'm eating the same kind of food every day. I love having like options and different choices, so that's why I do mix and match of protein, carbs here and there. One day I can have just ground beef as like La style, and then another day I can have it as like a bibimbap style. So I like having that flexibility of options to switch up like that. So I am excited to go ahead and do like what I eat in a week, doing my batch meal prepping style. If you are curious, feel free to let me know. I'm more than willing to go ahead and show you. Let me know down below in the comments. I forgot to note that whenever I'm doing like these batch cooking and batch prepping, or whenever I eat in general, if I'm making my food, I always make sure to keep everything really simple. Like anybody can make it. Like it's foolproof. Like you can just assemble like small little things together. So I hope I can go ahead and show you guys some recipes and know that I just know you can't mess it up. So, because me, I'm not a great baker or a great chef. So I just know I need simple, easy things on the go all the time. Also forgot to note that majority of all this food is for me. C has his own things that he likes to eat and follow instead. So all of this food is basically for me. So at the end of the day, I just cook for myself. And shout out to Costco, best way to meal prep and bulk and all that stuff through their bulk size stuff, especially in this economy.
I don't wanna be just another soul walking down the street. Too many days that we have wasted, that we both can't replace. Cause tomorrow is not promised. So let's live life, we don't got time to wait. Just another week, it's just you and me. I don't wanna see this dream over. I can watch you sleep while we on the beach. We can feel the breeze hit our shoulders. We can see the city all night till we see the sunlight. And if we're dealing with drama, we sweat it off like a sauna. Too drunk to give you my keys. Home safe, 3:15. That's the type of girl that I'm into. So I'm good long as I'm with you.
Left, you swipe right, you go up, down, YouTube it, but.
Oh.
Now I see me music. Hi, hello.